Okay, question 4 and 5, all about binary addition. We've got question 4, what are the 4 rules needed for binary addition? And question 5, work out the binary addition sum below. You must show all workings. So pause the video now, have a go at your answers, come back, play the video through, see how you do. Okay, so let's have a look at the answers. What are the 4 rules needed for binary addition? So we just need to be able to add ones and zeros in all the possible combinations. So we've got 0 plus 0 is 0, we need to know that. We need to know 1 plus 0 is 1, or 0 plus 1 is 1, it's the same sum. We need to know that 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, so we can't write the digit 2 that we're familiar with in denary. We have to write our, any answer has to be in binary, so 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, which is 2, the value 2 in binary. And then we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is the only other sum you will need, and that is 1, 1 or 3. And again, we can't write the digit 3 because 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have to write our answer in binary, and that's 1, 1, which is the binary value for 3. Okay, so armed with those, it should be able to work out question 5. So work out the binary addition sum below. You must show all workings. So if you haven't done that one yet, pause it, have a go at it now, but I'm assuming you probably have already done this one. So starting off on the right hand side, any binary addition, we always start off on the right hand side. This was as with any other sort of addition, adding up the lowest place values first. So 0 plus 1 is just 1. Again, we can refer up to our rules up here to help us with that. 1 plus 1, we know that is 2, or 1, 0, so we pop a 0 first, and then we carry the 1. Doesn't matter where you carry the ones, depends on how you were taught. I just remember being taught to carry ones underneath. A lot of you will carry them at the top, doesn't really matter. But what does matter is we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1, and again, going back to our rules, that tells us that we have 1, 1. So we pop a 1 down, we carry a 1 this time, and then in our last column we've got 1 plus 1. So we can ignore the 0. We could ignore the 0 here. So 1 plus 1, that is 1, 0 or 2. So we pop a 0 down. We carry the 1. I'm going to carry the 1. You don't have to carry it. You could write it straight into the column if you wanted to, but I'm going to complete the process. So I've got this now. This column here, I just have 1 on its own. So I'm going to pop that into the answer, and there is our answer for this one. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's stop this one and on to the next one. Okay, some binary addition practice questions here. So hopefully after working through the last one, you're happy with the method for binary addition. Have a go at these. Make sure when you're writing out your answers that you do include your the carries as you work through them. So you'll see on mine I put the carries at the bottom. It doesn't matter if you put the carries at the top, but it is important that they're there. If you're asked that as a question, generally there are marks for including the carries. So pause this one, have a go at them, and press play, see how you go on. Alright, let's check the answers for these now. So for the first one, there's the answer plus the carry. The next one, there's the answer plus the carries.